Okay, we're leaving Harkers Island. We're leaving Cape Lookout Welcome Center. We're down here Monday morning. The old rock jetty where you come in here, it ain't nothing now, hardly. It used to be a long load of rocks out there. Now it ain't 25 feet. When the wind ain't blowing, the tide's right backwards. Look at all the birds over there. Shallow water. Do a lot of skirting around out here when it's high as it's low. Oh, there ain't no straight shot no more. That's how low it is out there. Zigzag. Okay, we got the lighthouse right in front of us now. There aren't many folks down here today too. Be on a Monday morning. The lighthouse don't even look right. Can't see it. I don't know why the world they got it scaffolded so high. Boats all the way down there. Okay, we down here at Cape Lookout. There's the light. Okay, there's the house. Okay, here's the lighthouse with scaffolding from top to the bottom. And they got 6 layers of it wrapped up where you can't see in there. Must be knock the wing and stuff off. Today is Monday. 26th or 7th. I don't know. I lost time of days. Don't look like nothing. You can't see the top of it or nothing. It's a mess. Okay, we're gonna walk down the little path here. See the pretty little flowers in bloom. Okay, I'm wandering in here. I ain't never been in here when they had all the windows open. The whole house, they got all the windows open. The upstairs, they got little screens about a foot in them. And there was a peek through the window. And there's the lighthouse right there. Okay, I'm out the front door now. Back on the inside. Back out the window. Leaving the lighthouse. So we just took our time. eating that grass. Oh, I'm gonna turn now. Two, 4, 6. And they're a long ways from Shackle Bank too. Now they're getting ready to go. Okay, we're back in the chute now.